These donuts are super fluffy and soft, and as you can see in the title here, these are baked so that you can have your donuts and your chisel body. If you already have one. Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Let's dive in. In a large mixing bowl, we'll sift 1 cup of flour, powdered sugar and baking powder. Sifting the dry ingredients helps incorporate air into the batter and ultimately gets you those super fluffy donuts. Now with the end of a whisk, make a well in the center of your dry ingredients. Into this well, we'll pour melted butter, some yogurt. Yogurt makes our donuts tender and it also activates the baking powder in a batter. In a small bowl, lightly whisk an egg, then add it to the mixing bowl. Some vanilla essence. Whisk everything together to make a smooth batter. Now, you'll need a donut pan to bake these. I bought this one on Amazon and it cost me around $3.50. So I think having soft, tender and completely oil-free donuts whenever I want is definitely worth it. I recommend buying it right now. But if you really don't want to buy it, you can bake this batter in a cupcake mold. It's just as delicious, but you won't get the donut shape. Moving on, you can fill this donut pan using a spoon, but it might get messy. So I prefer using a piping bag. To have the perfect donut shape, make sure you fill the pan just halfway or even less. Bake the donuts at 220 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes. It smells heavenly. We'll make a super easy glaze for these donuts. Simmer some water in a saucepan and put a heat-proof bowl on top. Make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water underneath. Pour in some chopped chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate here. Melt the chocolate and add 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Our quick glaze is ready. Now dip the donuts in the glaze and just eat them or let the glaze set, whatever you want. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and push that subscribe button right now and don't forget the bell icon. I come up with new videos twice a week. I also made some white chocolate glaze by melting white chocolate with some fresh cream. I'm topping the white chocolate donuts with some tiny colorful hearts